Before I start talking about Creo Parametric Boolean Operation, I would like to apologize all of you guys due to the irritation that you face because of background music, and I also received a lot of dislike on this video, as you can see here, and also you can see everybody is saying terrible music, lot of irritation. I really apologize for this. Moreover, I will also put the link of this video in the description of this previous one, so that the user can be redirected to the video that I am making today. And this one going to be much more informational. So without wasting further more time, let's get started. Let's start Creo, and here you can see I have already opened it. So now I will be opening one of assembly. Let's close these annotations. And here you can see the assembly is made up of 5 parts. And in this assembly, I want to merge these both parts together. Now how we can do this? We will see with the help of Boolean operation. So first of all, let me just show you. These are 2 different parts. Now I will show you how you can create the merge part. So before performing Boolean operation, I would also suggest you to make all the assembly fully constrained. Means your degree of freedom needs to be 0, because if you haven't constrained your body properly, the part may move and it may corrupt the Boolean operation. It also depends on the dependency that we have set. Okay, talk is enough. Now let's perform the Boolean operation. In order to perform Boolean operation, you need to go to Model tab. As you can see, we are already in Model tab. Now we need to click on Component and then Component Operation. Now here you can see the Boolean operation. Click on that. Now you need to select the modified model, and by default the merge is selected. Now I will be selecting my modified model. So modified model are basically that model that we want to modify, and modifying model is that model which is independent and which is going to modify my model. And you may also select more than one. For example, you want to select this one as well. So you need to press Ctrl and you can select more than one. Now here you have furthermore options like associative placement, transfer reference, copy datum plane, copy quilt option, which is great. And you can also set the dependency. For example, you don't want any dependency, you can select no dependency. After you select no dependency, you make any change to this part, nothing will going to change here. You can play with these options. If you have problem with any of them, you can make a comment in comment section down below and I would be happy to help you. You also have an option to see preview. Let's click on that. Now you can see here preview, and I would like to hide this component, and as you can see here, I hide these both, and we are adding these component to tube of section 40 by 60 mm. You can see the preview. Now if you want to merge them, you need to click OK. Now click on done, and here you can see on the message bar our part has been merged successfully. Now let's try to open the same tube, and here you can see these both parts got merged with the tube. And you can see 2 more features are being added, which are basically the merge ID. So in this way, you can merge your part in Boolean operation. I don't want to make this video very lengthy. Therefore, in my next video, I will be talking about intersection and cut. And after receiving input from my previous video, I will not add any background music in this one. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you find this video useful, then do like and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.